Soft work boots can become painful after 8 hours. Standing all day takes more than foam. You need shock absorption, stability, and lasting support. We researched 3 long shift boots, but only one earned our top score. At number 3 is the KEEN Utility San Jose Waterproof Aluminum Toe. This is the lightweight mobility pick. KEEN uses an air-infused luft cell midsole designed to provide cushioning and support without the weight of a traditional heavy-duty boot. Its asymmetrical aluminum safety toes are listed by KEEN as 35% lighter than steel, helping reduce the weight carried through thousands of steps. The San Jose also includes waterproof protection and an oil and slip-resistant outsole, making it useful for warehouses, light manufacturing, carpentry, trucking, and workers constantly moving between tasks. Its biggest strength is immediate comfort. Its main limitation is structure. Workers who need maximum underfoot support, puncture protection, or heavy industrial durability may need something more substantial. The KEEN San Jose earns a Work Boot Lab score of 9.0 out of 10. We ranked these boots using official specifications, cushioning systems, construction, protection, weight, long shift support, and recurring owner feedback. At number 2 is the Timberland PRO Endurance Steel Toe. This is the heavy-duty anti-fatigue option. Timberland PRO's anti-fatigue technology uses a polyurethane footbed designed for shock absorption and energy return. The Endurance adds a steel shank for structural support, a puncture-resistant plate, and a heat dash, oil dash, and slip-resistant rubber outsole. That combination makes it the strongest protection package in this comparison and a serious option for manufacturing, construction, industrial maintenance, and demanding facilities. Unlike soft foam that may feel comfortable only at first, the Endurance is built around support and impact reduction throughout the shift. The trade-off is weight. Its steel toe, steel shank, protective plate, and heavy construction can be more tiring for workers who prioritize mobility over protection. The Timberland PRO Endurance earns a Work Boot Lab score of 9.4 out of 10. Our number 1 work boot for standing all day is the Red Wing DynaForce 4215. Red Wing says its DynaForce system distributes underfoot pressure more evenly and minimizes foot-pounding shock during long hours on hard, flat surfaces. That is a direct match to this video's purpose. The built-in insole adds stability, waterproof leather, and a steel safety toe add protection. A Comfort Force footbed adds perforated cushioning, a non-metallic shank supports the platform, and Red Wing lists the supersole welt as resolable. It is not the lightest or softest option. It favors controlled support, pressure management, and stability after the first soft sensation fades. That suits factories, warehouses, maintenance facilities, and concrete floors. The drawbacks are price and weight. But for the strongest balance of pressure distribution, support, protection, and durability, the DynaForce earns our top position. The Red Wing DynaForce 4215 earns a Work Boot Lab score of 9.7 out of 10. Here is the final breakdown. The KEEN leads for low weight and immediate comfort. The Timberland leads for industrial protection and anti-fatigue cushioning. Choose the KEEN San Jose if constant movement matters most. Choose the Timberland PRO Endurance when serious protection matters more than weight. But if you spend most of the day standing or walking on hard, flat surfaces and want the strongest overall support system, the Red Wing DynaForce 4215 is our winner. Which boot would you trust for a 10-hour shift? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe to our channel and like this video for more research-driven work boot comparisons. This is the Work Boot Lab Real Research. Real trades, real boots,